A local chiropractor says she's seeing more mothers bring in their babies for treatment.
Babies, now some may be concerned about hearing that, but other mothers swear by this treatment, including a mother who spoke with our Sunrise anchor, Ben Hill. Hey, Ben.
Great to be with you both here at this hour. But yeah, this is very interesting. And of course, the medical community is seemingly split on this. But a local mother tells me chiropractic care is helping her baby feel better.
Hi.
4-month-old Drake Cragen comes to the chiropractor, sometimes 3 times a week. He's obviously too young to know he's getting treatments from Dr. Nancy Cooper.
His little jeans are cute. Yeah.
Drake's mom, Emily, says her son had a lot of trouble as a newborn.
Constant fussiness, screaming all day long, arching his back, didn't nurse well, didn't eat well, losing weight. Every day was a battle.
There's a smile.
At 6 weeks, she says Drake was at his worst, which is when a friend recommended Mommy and Me Chiropractic in Carmel.
And we've been through several specialists, through different physicians, and we just couldn't get to the bottom of it.
Dr. Cooper noticed a condition called lip-tongue tie, which she says was the root of Drake's issue. In tandem with a dental procedure, they began chiropractic treatment at 6 weeks. The process was gradual, and the results were slow, not immediate.
When a friend mentioned chiropractic care, I'll be honest, I thumbed my nose at it. I thought, I don't want to take my baby to a chiropractor. Don't they, snap, crackle, pop, right? Well, I could not have been more wrong.
And that's probably the biggest fear that I hear from parents is they're very hesitant to come in because they think we're doing that, and that's not how we treat babies for sure.
Dr. Cooper didn't go into great detail, but tells me it's a very gentle procedure with no dynamic thrust that you might see being used to treat adults, but not infants. She says the only pressure she puts on Drake is the same pressure you'd apply if you're holding a nickel.
Their bones aren't even fully developed yet, so their adjustments aren't your mother's adjustments. It's a lot different. It's very gentle. It looks like a massage.
Drake's mom says he was eating, sleeping, and behaving better after a few weeks of treatment. Now, not everyone agrees kids should see a chiropractor. Dr. Michael McKenna, a pediatrician with St. Vincent Health, has concerns and says the American Academy of Pediatrics questions the practice for infants and kids. The AAP sent us this statement saying there are risks because of a child's immature stability of the spine.
And families are looking for any way possible to help their child be healthy, which I think is great. And I want them to look for all sorts of things to make sure that their child is healthy as they can be. I just also want to make sure that they're safe at the time.
In contrast, the American Chiropractic Association states, when administered properly, the practice is effective, safe, and gentle. Drake's mom, Emily, says at Drake's worst, she was in his room at night every 30 to 45 minutes just to soothe him, and tells me the adjustments have been life-changing.
For all the moms and dads who are sleep deprived, we know how horrible that can be. And to be able to get that sleep for him, now we all are able to survive.
So Emily tells me Drake now sleeps a solid 6 hours straight, sometimes more. She says they're slowly decreasing those treatments with Drake from 3 days a week down to 2 and eventually down to 1.
Okay, so how did this treatment, sort of get started and take off?
Well, John, like so many things, social media. So Dr. Cooper, the chiropractor we interviewed for the piece, says really about 10 years ago when social media started taking off, a lot of mothers were inquisitive about this treatment, started seeking her out, and it's grown since then. You could argue that a lot of these moms are looking for different treatments for their child if they have issues like Drake did.
I remember Mommy and Me and Daddy and Me being playtime, not chiropractic.
That's right. Times are changing for sure.
We did a story once on a family that had a bedwetter that went and had relief after getting chiropractic treatment. So you never know.
That's right. Judge for yourself.